So we got a good one here today, guys, because it's Samsung Galaxy season. I just got my Galaxy S24 in, and it is time to unbox it. Now, it's been a while since I got a new phone in. I've been using the Steam Deck quite a bit lately, and I'm, definitely excited to check this thing out. Now, I did take the pull tabs off the back of this, and just going to try to shake it a little bit here so we can, get it out of the box and take a peek at it. Now, as far as some of the color options with this phone, they actually have quite a bit, but I decided just to go with black. I was actually looking at the blue, but, just looking at the, back of this phone right now, I think black is totally a fine color to go with. Now, I'm just trying to see what's in the box right here. It looks like we got our typical little welcome package thing here and a charging cable. That's about it. And I definitely miss those days where we used to get a lot of stuff in the boxes, but these days you got to pay for everything. But here it is, the Galaxy S24. And I can tell you guys, right off the bat, this thing feels and looks very similar to the Galaxy S23. So I'm not really impressed here with the design because, like I said, it looks like a Galaxy S23, honestly. Now let me get the little film off the front here, and we'll start this thing up. Currently, this phone, brand new, is selling between like $700 to $1,000, depending on which model you go with. Obviously, Samsung has all those cool trade-in offers, so you could trade in some of your old phones to get a discount on this one. I actually did that because I have so many phones on hand. Anyways, I went through the startup screen to save a little time here, and the first thing I like to do whenever I start up a new phone is just take a look at some of the wallpaper options on it. And Samsung's actually pretty good about adding different, cool wallpapers to new phones that they send out. But looks like kind of a little bit of boring stuff in here. Not really too impressed. We'll see what else they got after I, set this and check it out. Also, as we are taking a closer peek at this phone, if you guys could tap the like on this video, I would definitely appreciate it for sure. And, you could also get on our tech newsletter as well, where we send out one email a week on only the good stuff by checking out some links directly below in the description. Okay, this one actually looks pretty interesting, though. Maybe I'll just go with this one. Looks like it's doing its little thing right here. Okay, let's set it. Okay, that one actually looks pretty slick. Okay, anyways, my initial impressions of this phone are that, what's different from the Galaxy S23? I mean, yeah, the specs obviously going to be a little bit better, but in my opinion, if you own an S23 right now, I don't really know why you would even bother with the S24. I mean, it's not like, this doesn't seem like the biggest upgrade at all. But the next thing I like to do is what I normally do with these new phones. I'm going to run a little bit of video. We'll do a little gaming with it, so hope you guys enjoy it, and let's run it. Of course, before we get more into this, we wanted to recommend our must-try app, which is Ignition Poker. Now, the cool thing about Ignition is they have both free and real money games. You can play up to 4 tables at a time, and they've got some of the biggest tournaments to play online. Now, this hand right here was pretty sick. We had an ace-10 suited in a $200 cash game, and we flopped the biscuits. Of course, as you're watching this hand play out, if you wanted to learn more about ignition or get started, we'll have some resource links directly below in the description.